How to fix Instagram challenge record. It's an easy process, so let's start. So when you open your Instagram account or app, if you're facing any challenge record options, so that this video will help you. So just first of all, just check out your internet connection. Just swipe your Wi-Fi to your cellular data. After that, hopefully your problem will be solved. So if this not work, then install your Instagram app and reinstall the app. After that, just restart your device, and then your problem should be solved. So if this not work also, then just go to the profile. Wait a second. Just go to the profile and click to the three-dot menu, and then click to the settings. After that, click to the help options, and then click to the report a problem options. After that, report without checking options, and then just type your problems or whatever you are facing, and then click to the send option. After that, your problem will be solved. So that's the process I can fix Instagram challenge record options. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.